Most of the industries have been using MS Excel as a platform for data management. Is it meant for that only? Efficient use of this product has cut down man hours, paper consumption, carbon emissions, power consumption cost to half. Anything that reduces human efforts become a motivator. With this, it is no more a platform but a tool for employee motivation. Course content specified takes minimum 3 full days, which can be split over a week or a month so that participant can practice what is taught in session 1 and can bring queries in next session. Here we will see all fundamentals of Excel, maximum size limits, file sizes, file categories, types, use of each category, how to import or export data from various file formats, right from PDF to any other. There are numerous formatting options available in MS Excel. You can, to minute level, you can customize cells, date, time calculations, number formats, text format, conditional formatting, another strongest tool available with MS Excel. With conditional formatting, you can completely stop reconciliation process, which is absolutely non-value adding. You can have formula based, criteria based conditional formatting. You can create, edit, manage rules, display message window using data validation techniques, and many more. We'll learn in detail about different types of text, date, time, number based functions, logical functions, nested if and or, numerous reference functions like VLOOKUP, index, match, how to create nested combinations of different functions, how to trace dependent errors, etc. There are tools available to operate and choose data like multi-level sorting, subtotals. There is filter as well as advanced filter as also. There are various named ranges options available, hyperlink and bookmarks that you can use very efficiently and effectively. Like that of conditional formatting, pivot table is another strongest tool available, specially used for MIS reporting. With this, you can create and analyze or forecast various situations, which will help in planning and executing as well. There are techniques to understand if certain variables in your scenarios are changed, what will be impact on result. You can consolidate data from multiple worksheets as well as multiple workbooks. There are numerous database functions that are available which don't demand your visual basic skills. With MS Excel, you can produce and reflect your data in graphical format for in-depth analysis. You can combine different data and graph formats together to create combo charts. You can give numerous effects to it and create spark lines. Many times page setup is the least preferred options when people demand for course content in Excel, but trust me, it saves at least 20% of page wasted across India. You can print what is really necessary and apply specific headers, footers to make it look very professional. There are many other critical options available with Excel which cannot be summarized in such few slides. You can create, share workbooks, you can protect data or entire worksheet, whichever you want. There can be password protection, you can track all the changes made by different users in case of shared workbooks. With this, I'm ending it here. Enroll for the training program and enjoy happy excelling.